Hey guys, it's onfire and welcome back into another kirka.io video. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to find the CSS that fits you, how to put it inside the browser or the client. But before the video starts, remember you to leave a like and also subscribe for more kirka content like that. And yeah, let's jump straight into the video. We're inside of my desktop. You can see the DOM client, but we're not gonna dive into that for now. We're gonna enter Google Chrome, where we have a little website already open for us. And yeah, that's the Kirka community hub, and basically there you can find any CSS that you need, because of course before putting a CSS you have to find one that fits you. Not all of those CSS are actually free, but you can actually filter them. By clicking on that, there's written all, just click on free. Those CSS are working and you can actually play on those. Let's say that you want the blank, you can also check it out. That is going to be the blank one. Right now I'm using the monochrome. There is the monochrome. Of course, you can just click on the code. I mean, you could use the code or download the actual CSS file. Once you download the CSS file, you can actually, let me show you, you can actually just put it on your Discord, as I have it right there. Right click on the download and click on copy link. Now you have your CSS hosted, in that case by Discord. Once we copied it, we can actually open the browser that we will be using. In my case, for this video, I'm using Opera GX, but it works on every single browser. So just for this video, I'm gonna use Opera GX. Kirkaio is already open. As you can see, I don't have any CSS, but how can I put the CSS inside of the browser? Well, it's not that complicated. You can just open another tab and type web Chrome store. Click on the first link. There you're gonna search for your extension, which is stylus. Click on stylus and click on add. It's gonna say add an extension. Of course, we're gonna add the extension. And there we have it. Stylus is now inside of our browser. You can click on the extension right there, or sometimes if it doesn't pop up, you can just go on the top right. There are going to be the options and then extensions. In my case, it's right there. And I click on stylus and it's gonna open the stylus tab. There it is on the right. Click on the first button on the bottom left. It is going to open the stylus manager. Click on the plus, which is going to add the CSS. Type at import URL, open and close brackets, and there you're gonna put the link of your CSS. In my case, it is going to be the monochrome and it's going to be hosted by Discord. You can put any CSS. If you do not have the link but you have the code, you can actually put the entire code of the CSS right there. So if you don't want to host the CSS, I mean, it's fine. You can just download the CSS. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna open my CSS that I just downloaded. As you can see, that is the monochrome CSS. That is actually the code of the monochrome CSS. You can just click Ctrl-A, Ctrl-C and put the entire code inside there. It is going also to work, but I prefer to import directly the URL, which is much better. Once you've done it, click on save, and there you have it. You got a CSS, a custom CSS inside of your browser. Let me also create a private match so I can show you. Let's put it on full screen mode, so it actually looks like we're inside of the client, and there you have it. That is the monochrome CSS. But what about the client? The client is actually easier, and in order to do that, I'm gonna show you how to put the CSS inside of the DOM client. It is basically the same for every single kirkaio client, even in the original Kirka client, it is actually the same thing. You just need to open the client. If you do not have this client, which is the best kirkaio client right now, where you can download it from the link down there, I'm gonna put the video on how to download this client. I already have a CSS, which is the same as before, the monochrome CSS. I just need to click the right shift in this client and there it is. CSS link, of course you're gonna enable it and you're gonna put the exact same link that you used before. If you don't want a CSS, you can just use the normal gate by disabling the CSS, or if you do not have the URL, like I said before, you can just put the entire CSS in here. The time for the video, and I hope this video was useful to you on how to put a CSS in the browser and also in the client, but not only that, we also found how to find the CSS that fits you. And remember you to leave a like and also subscribe, because for you it is completely free, but for me it is a huge support. So smash those buttons and I'll see you guys right into the next video.